Vi. Vi is an AI personal trainer who lives in biosensing earphones. The system is learning every day, getting to know its owner and adapting to their lifestyle and their personal needs. This AI personal trainer is controlled with voice commands and is able to regulate the weight, the speed, and other aspects of your training. It can as well play your favorite music and allows you to answer your calls without touching your phone. Vi is accompanied by a special application that sends messages to the user and records their achievements during training. The convenient interface and the friendly voice of Vi will help you improve your results when it comes to training. This electronic trainer is available for $200. Sensory percussion. This sensor records the sounds emitted by a drum set and sends them into an electronic composition using a special application. It's possible to use it in the studio, on the road, or at home. It is basically a compact replacement for all kinds of percussion instruments. The sensor has a special grip fitted to the edge of the drum set. Using an app, the user can assign a specific sound to each part of the membrane. You can buy this device for $800. Horizon. Horizon is a new set of virtual reality glasses, capable of turning any image into a 3D model. The device uses special lenses and mirrors, as well as a combined glass screen and a special mobile application. It can work on any Android or iOS phone, and it can be put to work in a couple of minutes. This modern creation is not only ideal to enjoy games, but also to learn. For example, it's a great tool for medical students. You can purchase these virtual reality glasses for $29. Miosis. This backpack is made of elastic materials and is composed of several resistant geometric figures. The fabric that covers the structure allows the backpack to keep its shape while being full or empty without losing its flexibility. This ultra-modern backpack is still being developed, so the price and other features are unknown. M. This small robot comes in 4 models: city, water, underwater, and off-road. This allows it to be used in all kinds of conditions for recording, research, and leisure. The robot consists of several large details, which are easily assembled and disarmed without needing any extra instruments. The wheels of this small device can be used to take panoramic photos with a smartphone or a GoPro camera. The robot can move freely on rocks, sand, and snow, as well as on water. It's controlled by a small plastic crystal. The crystal, as well as the device, has its own lighting system. The price of the basic robot is $28 and increases according to the characteristics of the model. Field Kit. This instrument is ideal for those who experiment with electroacoustic sounds. This small and functional panel developed in Germany allows you to record and transform sounds from different microphones, devices, and even objects that have nothing to do with the world of music. The device consists of 7 different blocks, each of which has its own instructions as well as a radio receiver. The price of this instrument is $56, but may increase depending on the additional items. Maker Arm. The creators of Maker Arm say that this is the first robotic hand capable of doing anything, anywhere. For example, with this device you can print objects on 3D printers, cut wood and aluminium, use a laser engraving machine, open packages, and assemble other devices with small details. The hand weighs 17 pounds and it's 20 inches tall. The minimum price of the Maker Arm is $1,000 and increases depending on the additional items, which cost $100 or more. Pins Collective. This pin with a small digital screen allows you to change the image on it with the help of a special application and a couple of clicks. In addition to the basic drawing base, which includes several GIFs, the application allows the user to upload his own drawings or edit existing drawings, changing the color and adding text. This accessory does not measure the blood pressure or count calories, but definitely increases the individuality of the user. The small device has a diameter of 2 inches, of which 1.3 are occupied by the screen. The device weighs half an ounce and can be used on clothing, but also be placed on the wall, the computer, or the dog collar. This device works with Android and iOS devices, and its price is $50. Cubo One. This robot has been specially created to study robotics in the family in an easy and understandable way. The robot is interactive and works with a simple programming language. It's also easy to arm and disarm for anyone, an older adult or a child, despite their technological knowledge. The level of interactivity of the robot is designed to resemble that of a living being, and not to that of a gadget such as a smartphone or smart button. Currently, the robot can be purchased for $250.